Piny owacho kokalo kuom migawo mar tuke olando ni gibiro medo kwan mag tesende mag neno tuke chan e alwora ma Nairobi mabiro neno jopiny ma ok oyudo thuolo mar nyiewo otiko neno tuke go achiel kachiel. Motelo ne tugo e kind Harambee Stars gi Madagascar mane gima dhi timore. To twak mare gi jofwambo tok timo limbe e alap tuke ma Kasarani, jatend migawo mar tuke Salim Mvurya noyango ni gimedo tesende go nyaka 13 e alwora ma Nairobi ka, kama johera mag adhula ma ok oyudo thuolo mar chopo e ching e alap tuke ma Kasarani nyalo nene tuke mag quarter finals go. Jatelo go bende nowacho ni tipo mamoko ibiro keti e counties mamoko kama oting'o Mombasa kod Eldoret, ka kuonde go duto arita margi dhi bedo maber.
Even now we have not received any news from CAF on increasing the numbers. Even though FKF, because of the good game we had on Sunday, they have appealed for more numbers, and I think as we go forward, we will be hearing from CAF if they have allowed more numbers. Right now, we have increased the numbers. We had around 8 fan zones on Sunday. Now we will have 13, across the city and many other areas. So we will still have a fan zone in Uhuru Park, in Archives, in Dandora, in Jacaranda, Clay City, Githurai, Kibra, the DC ground. Here in Kasarani, we have the Lucky Sama on the other side of the field. But now we will have Ruiru. Ruiru will be our new area. Then we have Dagoretti, Camp Toyoyo, and also Babadogo. Again, there are stakeholders who have come in, who want to put up a fan zone in Eldoret, and they are also considering Mombasa, and an additional here in Nairobi. So I want to thank the nation media for also coming in to add more fan zones across the city and also other cities in our country.